friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabby. I'm a destination adventurous wedding planner, and today I'm taking you along for a couple wedding related errands. So winter time in California is a little rainy, and because we do a lot of outdoor weddings, our company is just a little more quiet. So we take advantage of this time to meet with vendors, we do tastings, we do walkthroughs, we get all our clients' meeting organized and done ahead of time so that when spring comes along and we are back in full swing of wedding planning mode. So today I am taking you along with me on a tasting at Smoky Hollow Bakery, which is a cute little bakery near one of the venues we work at a lot. And then I'm going to take you to a walkthrough of a space that I have never checked out called Anaheim Studios, which I'm excited about. And then we're gonna end up at my co-working space called The Wing in West Hollywood. And I'm just gonna give you a quick little preview of that space, and it's fun. I get to see a lot of my fellow wedding planner friends, and we get to hang out, but also get a lot of work done. So if you're ready, let's go.
That's awesome.
What we always try and do is let you start with all of these and kind of pick your own favorites.
Okay.
And then we will bring you what our signature setups are. So, because we don't want to bias you to it, right?
Yeah.
And then you can maybe try like how we set it up too.
Cool.
But we want you to like make your own favorites.
I love that.
And these are just a few of our small items that we do. It's our most popular like small dessert items that people generally get with like big dessert table setups.
Okay.
So we're most known for, outside of our like crazy cakes, we're most known for decorated cookies.
Yes,
So you
I've
have
seen
a couple
that on
decorated
Instagram.
cookies there.
Oh my gosh. This is where magic happens. This is a dream kitchen, actually.
It's very open.
Oh my goodness.
So any of the cutters that you see up there in green, in any shade of green, generally, we've made them on our 3D printer.
Wow.
Yep, so lots of like really, really fun shapes, especially since we're here in LA. Like we have like a little movie clapper.
Yes! Oh, those are probably pretty popular.
Very popular. We just went through this season, did a lot of this guy.
Yes. Are they soft plastic? Like silicone, or they're...
They are a filament, a PLA filament,
Okay.
which is food grade. And you can see, I don't know if you can like get up close here and see, but you can see that there's layers of plastic. So what we do is design the shape, and then the machine will lay the plastic up, and as it cools, it hardens, and then we're able to pull it off, and then we have this nice little handle, nice little cutter.
That's amazing. These are brownie cookies with marshmallows on it. Oh my God. All right, guys, I'm here at Smoky Hollow Baking Co., and we are about to start the tasting. The cakes have a thickness to it, what I like. The Buttercreams are very fluffy. They're not like that weird fake cake. You know how grocery store cakes?
Yeah. So yeah, we use like a Swiss meringue buttercream, so it's more airy, fluffy, and not so heavy with the powdered sugar.
Yes. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the cake tasting. That was amazing. I am on a sugar high for sure. And I have leftovers, which I will be eating after lunch. But first, we're gonna head over to Anaheim Studios, where we're doing a site visit for a networking event, but also I always check out spaces for future clients or corporate parties and stuff like that. So let's go.
So this is basically this whole downstairs area is something that's available for event rentals, and then we have a conference room upstairs as well if they need an additional space for like their stuff, right? For green room, all that stuff. So a couple of things. We've got the bar area. There's 3 under the counter fridges that we use. One's the wine fridge, and then 2 of them are just like the regular under the counter fridges. And then this is like a nice little seating area for people. This can be a pool table, so it's our conference table, and then it converts to a pool table. So it just depends on what kind of event people are looking to do. A lot of times people get really excited about that side of the space, but when they actually have their event, people hang out here because they like the feel and the vibe. This is our little arcade. We actually had friends of ours give us these, and so we have them here. And it's great for like if you have kids, or I mean everybody loves playing
grown
games,
adults.
right? You know, that's fun too. So we've got 30 of these white chairs, and then these little, we have 5 of these little tables. So that all comes with the rentals, and we can set this up however people want.
Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you liked this video and you want to see more behind the scenes, please give this a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. I will be back next week with something new.